Dear friends, good morning. I am Professor Utash Gupta, retired Professor of Zoology from the Department of Zoology, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. During the year 2020, I have composed around 50 poems during my stay in the United States. And even today I am speaking to you from the United States. And these poems collection, this poem collection, I have entitled as a poetic portrait of my childhood memories. A poetic portrait of my childhood memories. My grandfather, for me in life today, is my source and beacon of light and source of inspiration. There have been great people in the village or great people around and great people in the society and nation, but for me, on personal level, I regard and respect my grandfather, who is no more, as my beacon of light, as my what you call adarsh in my life. And I rejoice whenever I recall my interaction with him. And I would say these sweet memories are as if I am holding a very rich bank account in my personal life, and the bank is my mind and heart. So this poem is: my grandfather was a model of good conduct. My grandfather was a model of good conduct. The 5 poems, 5 stanzas, I will recite them. You will enjoy. And when I do this, I let me tell you, when I was in DAV College Jalandhar in pre-university class, which is today known as +1, I remember in the college, the English teacher was reading to us more or less a chapter on portrait of a lady written by Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh in that chapter had happened to describe his grandmother. So when he was describing his grandmother, and my teacher Professor Chandok was reading out that chapter to us, so I was recalling my grandfather, and believe me, the chapter was finished by Professor Chandok in 3 days, and all the 3 days when I was sitting in the class, I used to weep. There were tears in my eyes, because although Khushwant Singh was describing his grandmother, but I was thinking as if I am describing my grandfather, who was alive in those days. First paragraph. My grandfather, Lala Fakir Chand, 5 feet 2 inches tall, with inviting looks, thin but well built, lanky and healthy. My grandfather, Lala Fakir Chand, 5 foot 2 inches tall, with inviting looks, thin but well built, lanky and healthy, chiseled features, wheatish color, grey moustaches. My grandfather was an embodiment of absolute honesty and beauty. Stanza number 2. Simple in habits, my grandfather, simple in habits, sturdy in style, meager in words, but deeper in essence. A friend of long time, fast and dependable and trustworthy and helpful. My grandfather was a model of good conduct, the best conduct. My grandfather was a model of good conduct, the best conduct. Stanza 3. A grassroot, my grandfather, a grassroot Vaishya community successful shopkeeper, would secure goods in those days from Delhi 50 miles north, would mount also on camels across Jamna on the eastern side to fetch some of the grocery items on the eastern towns of Uttar Pradesh Rahupra, Hapur and Dangour. Stanza number 4. Much ahead of times, my grandfather was much ahead of times. He was a banker. He was as if a BCom educated shopkeeper, a master of commerce, a master of business, and also a master of agricultural practices. Our shop was a self-sustaining. Our shop in those days was a self-sustaining, self-regulatory commerce system. Commerce system in which gave us enough to feed the entire family, enough to save, and enough to enjoy. Last, my person today, in my vivid memories, my person today, in my vivid memories, in my acute analysis and a focused reviewing, I hold my grandfather as the support base, and as a giant pillar, and as the Bhisham Pitame of my family, and as he was an embodiment of super professional talents and morals and values. Thank you so much.